morning, Clazziquai. Happy Thursday. Baby here had a really rough night. Really rough night. He had a stomach ache. I didn't even know. Johnny had to figure it out. Pretty sure it's because we ate pizza. I ate a cheese pizza, and Johnny is lactose intolerant. I'm pretty sure Clazziquai is lactose intolerant. I don't think I'm lactose. But you do take a lot after your baba. Yeah. Yeah, because Johnny was also having a really bad stomach ache. So, no more dairy for you two. Don't drop it, Clazziquai. What are you trying to do? That's okay. Did he just put it in his mouth?
Yeah, he fell onto his banana and then put it into his mouth.
Wow. I guess he had a goal and then he accomplished it, and that's it.
Yeah, let's help you up, honey.
Look at those goofy socks. Those goofy socks. To Aldi. Hopefully we're not gonna buy any junk food. Johnny.
I'm buying junk food.
This is a real meal. You got a hard-boiled egg, fried egg, broccoli, bok choy. You got instant noodles. This is how you improve instant noodles to make it healthy. That, and you have a baby right next to you.
Scroll.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh!
I know they're all cute.
Oh, it just got spicy. Okay, that's not your banana. Alrighty, baby. Say hello. Hello, Clazziquai. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Ring, 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 ring. Hello. Ready, Clazziquai? Ring, ring. Ring, 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 ring. Hello, 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 hello. Clazziquai, you've been awake for almost 4 hours. He missed his 3rd nap. So we've just been playing. And he doesn't seem sleepy. Well, he seems like out of it, zoned out. But I don't think he wants to go to sleep. You wanna go to sleep yet? He's kind of sleepy. He's fighting it. Why you gotta fight sleep for? I'll see you in the morning. What are you doing? You're just bouncing? You're bouncing. Bouncing, baby. Bouncing, baby. So cute.